What's up guys, Uwa here, and so today, ngayong gabi, we'll be driving someone else's car. So it's a Mitsubishi Adventure, hindi ko alam kung anong year, pero sobrang luma na. Ang grabe, sobrang lambot ng clutch. So okay, let's take it for a spin. So tonight, I'll be driving a 2004 Mitsubishi Adventure powered by a 2.5-liter 4D56 diesel engine that produces 74 horsepower. So I'll be driving this car for a short while to do some errands kasi tinatamad yung kaibigan kong mag-drive, so binigay sa akin yung susi. So I'll take it for a spin and see what it is. So likewise, visibility okay naman. Though yung pagliko, parang hindi ko makakagat yung power steering. So parang pag inikot mo siya, saka mo lang mararamdaman na may humahatak. Minsan parang wala. Basta yung feeling na may parang may force, yun yung parang nawawala. Pag inikot mo siyang ganyan, minsan parang matigas, tas minsan biglang lalambot, parang ganon. Then yung gauge, ayan, so parang nagba-bounce yung speedometer. So basically wala siyang tachometer, yung RPM, speedometer lang. Tapos fuel gauge, tsaka temperature gauge, yun lang yung meron for this model ng Adventure. So in terms of brake, parang hindi rin siya agad kumakapit. Parang nakakatakot mag-brake. Pero nagbe-brake naman. Humihinto naman. So kahit luma na itong sasakyan na to, kaya pa rin yung i-deliver yung power. May hatak pa rin. Ramdam mo pa rin yung hatak, yung power. So yeah, old doesn't mean it's junk or mabagal. Kaya pa rin humatak yung diesel na to. Kahit hindi siya turbocharge, natural aspirated, kayang-kayang humatak ang sasakyan na to. So itong sasakyan na to, hindi namin makalimutan. Ayan po, sobrang lumag. Nung high school kasi si Richie lang yung may dalang sasakyan, yung friend ko nung high school. So lahat kami nakikisabay lang dito, lahat kami kasya, buong tropa. Walang hindi kasya dito sa sasakyan na to, kaya believe kami dito. Hindi namin makakalimutan itong sasakyan na to. Sobrang luwag. So this car has been driving on the road for many years now, and kaya pa rin may pagsabayan sa mga modernong sasakyan ngayon. Talong-talo pa rin yung mga 7-seater na SUV tsaka MPV. And believe talaga kami sa sasakyan na to hanggang ngayon. It's still standing up well. Believe talaga kami. Huwag naman yung cambio.